What are you cooking? Are you getting more? Look, Mummy show it. No, that's a lid. Here, look. Is it in this one? Here you go. Oh, you don't want all of it? No, leave it in your playroom and just get one thing. What are you going to bring?
Grapes.
Grapes? You're going to cook some grapes? What's in there? What's the yellow? What's the yellow thing? Charlotte, what's this? Oh, you're gone. Okay, we're getting more. What are you getting now? Get it out of your box. What's this? What is it? Lettuce. Yummy. What's that? What are those? What's that? You don't answer anything. You're eating it. Okay. Are you gonna get more? Oops. Oh, you lost the orange. With your little knickers on, you funny child. What have you got? Get something else, that's rubbish. Get something else. Get more. What is it? It's apple juice. Oh yeah, that's going in. Oops. Go get more. That's rubbish. No, yeah, good girl. That's the carton. You don't want to put the carton in. What's that? Potato. Oops. Not bad. Not bad effort. Good girl. You're going to say bye-bye?